Word. Hold on, kind of blurry. Something's wrong.
So what do you do with these tins?
You open them.
What do you keep them?
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna use them for?
Oh, look, Mom, see, look, open this. Just open it. It comes with 2 packs, and it comes with a coin.
Cool. So what are you gonna do with the tin?
Like after I open the packs, I'm gonna put it in. Watch this, Mom. See, I pull up the packs. Pull that one too. It comes with a card. And look at this. See, watch this. It comes with a card, and it will show it will show the Pokedex number, and it will show like its information.
Oh, okay. So are you videoing me, Jeff?
Yeah. Well, Mom, you can open them.
Open these?
Yeah.
Can you see me in that?
Oh. Hold up.
Can you see me?
Yeah. And get my packs out. Oh, Mom, see, if it's a green code card, it means you're only gonna get a regular rare. But if it's a white and green code card, it means you're definitely getting a
So I have Water Splash
His name is Shelter.
and Lounge Out. Kill.
You can say about the Pokemon name, Mom.
Glance. Flare.
Mom, you can say the Pokemon names on top.
Blip Bug. Hard Press. I like that one. What's energy mean, Jeff?
It means that you have to put an energy on your card in order. You have to put a certain amount of energy on your Pokemon card in order to use that attack.
Okay, so we have Hunter. What's this Pow Pad?
Oh, it's one of those trainer items that you use to search cards in your deck and put them on your team.
And what's this?
This is the code card for you. If you scan that code card online, you get 1 booster pack.
Oh, okay. So I put all these back in?
Yeah.
Okay. And now what do I
You open that one.
do?
Hold on, turn around. Read the code card.
Ooh,
Oh, you got a green one.
was that bad? So Weedle, it looks like
Hey, Bob.
Hey, how you doing, Sean?
Good.
it
You
looks
feel better?
like a
Yeah.
worm.
I'm recording a YouTube video because I'm a
Here,
YouTuber.
buddy.
I'm a YouTuber, so I'm recording a video.
I'm sorry.
I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I video record us opening cards.
So it looks like a worm with a horn on its head.
It's Weedle.
Weedle. I don't know what this thing is, Jeff.
That's a Voltorb.
Poliwag.
Yeah, Poliwag.
And this one is Ghastly.
Yeah, that's Ghastly. Ghastly evolves into Haunter, and the Haunter evolves into Gengar.
Magnemite.
Magnemite.
He's cute. Zapdos.
Oh, Ooh, Mom, that's a good card. That's Zapdos. It's a reverse holo rare. Zapdos. It's one of the legendary bird Pokemon.
So I got a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one. Which one you got out of that?
This one is Arcan.
Arcanine.
Yeah.
Arcanine was originally supposed to be a legendary Pokemon.
So what is this thing?
That's a Nidorino.
And what's a trainer?
Huh?
What are trainer cards?
They help you like draw cards from decks or like evolve a Pokemon or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Mom, I want you to hold this.
So that's that. Now what do? Turn it around?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna start evolutions.
Do I get your face or your hand?
Both, if you want.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Mom. White code card. That means I'm definitely getting something good. Oh. That's, Mom, these are the cards I'm talking about that you pull.
What do you mean you pull?
See, okay, you see the EX?
Yeah.
That's one of the cards I have like in here. Like, the cards I collect kind of like.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a good one. Oops. Let me a sec. Put this down here. I'm gonna open up Sword and Shield. Oh, I got a green code card.
So if you get a green one, you don't get a special card. If you get a white one, you get a special card.
Yeah.
So what do we get?
I got a regular rare Noctowl.
Oh, okay. That's cool. And what is this one here?
Well, careful, Mom, careful, don't smudge it. It ends up losing value.
Is it rare?
Yeah. It's one of those rare cards that come out.
Oh, are we done?
No. Well, I collect this card very a lot, like Dragonite. I collect that card a lot. Alright, Mom. Open one of these, Mom. Got it.
Alright. It's stuck in there. So I got another coin.
That one shows an Empoleon.
And I got
A Sudowoodo.
it looks like a root. Alright, what's this mean?
It means it's a code card to unlock it, online.
Isn't that what you just got?
Yeah. You saw the code card?
Yeah, you got one of those cards from a white one, didn't you?
Yeah. Turn around. Oh, it's a green code card.
Huh?
It's a green code card.
Oh, okay.
It's like a tongue. Dwebble. Muna.
Pikachu!
Oh, Pikachu. That's on Bidoof.
What's this thing?
That's a Magnemite. It's the same Pokemon that they called Cute.
Dragonite.
Right. Oh, Dragonite is one of the strongest Pokemon.
Then I got this.
Fighting energy.
Is this a mushroom?
No, that's Musharna.
Oh, it's like, that's cute.
Oh, on Dragonite evolves to Dragonite.
Oh, okay. And the turtle.
Yeah, and that's Tortuga.
Okay. Now what do I do with these?
You can just set them down if you want. Hold on, Mom, give me a second.
You want me to help you?
I got it. Alright, try opening these. I'm opening one of them myself. Hey, Oscar.
That's for you on a YouTube video.
Aww.
Alright, so I got another one of these.
Let me see. Oh, you got white gold card. You gonna get something good, Mom.
I am.
Yep.
Okay, I got this one.
Chinchou.
Then I got this one.
Sizzlipede.
This one.
Galarian Zigzagoon.
This thing looks like it's a pig but crocheted.
That's Muna again. That's Snom. That's Thwacky.
This is an energy switch. Who's this?
That's Galarian Linear. What is that? Galvantula.
Energy.
Energy.
And for the last one.
Ooh, Torkoal. Good job, Mom.
Good job, yeah.
Alright, Mom, here you go.
Alright.
Oh, actually, oh yeah, I'm opening my pack. Let's see what I get. Oh, Mom, I got a white code card. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, I got still Drone RV.
Cool.
Oh, give me a sec. Put this over here. I'm gonna open this one next. Cosmic Eclipse.
Well, there's one more pack here.
Oh, you can open that one.
I got like a monkey.
Oh, you got a green code card.
Okay.
That's Grookey. Grookey evolved into Thwacky. Celler.
This thing looks vicious with teeth.
Oh, that's Mawile. Galarian Ponysaw.
How about these?
Sobble.
Ooh, I got a lucky egg.
Really?
A Snorlax.
Hey, look, it's my brother Kevin.
Energy ball. And then I got this one.
Oh, that's cool. Bisharp.
And this one.
Oh, that's Salazzle.
And what is this thing? This thing looks like little moles.
They are. It's Dugtrio.
Oh, okay.
Where's that special card you put at? Like this.
It's probably in here.
That's probably in 10.
Let's see if I can find it. What's it look like?
It was supposed to be a pseudo widow. Alright, Mom. Here you go.
Hold on, Joe.
Alright, that's the Mischievous. No, not Mischievous. Miss
Is this
Magmagius.
the one you're looking for?
It's a pseudo widow. The one that you said looked like a tree or something. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna put Cosmic Eclipse because Cosmic Eclipse is one of my favorite packs. Oh, I got a green code card. Okay. Rufflet. Let me move this out of the way. I got Rufflet. Oddish. Roltz.
It looks like a radish.
Sandy Gas. Spiel. Time Foam. Cradley, that's just regular rare. Fairy Energy. They don't, Fairy Energy is no longer used on the, on online game. I don't know why. Clefairy, Amy Palm, and Golduck.
Those are all cool cards.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna, let's see here. Alright, Mom, open one of these up.
I got an egg. I've checked these two piles and I can't find it.
That's okay, Mom.
Well, it's not okay because I know that I had it. Is this it?
Mm-mm.
Oh my.
Holy crap.
That's what I said. So I have this one.
It's Lucario. I'm gonna keep that sealed.
This?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Wait. I'm gonna keep it sealed.
What do you mean?
Like, keep it sealed, like, you know, like.
Oh, not open it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy crap. Burning, Roaring Skies and Ancient Origins.
My coin.
Mom, those two packs they don't make anymore.
Okay. Alright. As you can tell, they are not open friendly.
You're not open friendly?
Alright, I got a Pikachu. Okay.
Okay.
I got a Pikachu. I got that.
Pelucha.
And I got some really ugly mad eggs.
Execute.
A bird.
Talo. Electrike. Dratini. That's a Rosalo.
You want that left out?
No, you can put it back on file. Skarmory.
Trainer card.
Trainer card.
Trainer card.
Gallade Spirit Link.
Trainer card.
Revive.
And those.
That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and open Ancient Origins.
This one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
NK. Combi. Oddish. Eevee. Gumi.
Oh, I think this is a good one, Joe.
Flareon. Ooh, Ampharos EX full art. That's a pretty good one, Mom.
Trainer card.
Hold on, Mom. Give me that EX right quick. I'm gonna put it in the pile.
And then I got this one.
When's the caught? When's the caught?
A trainer card and this.
Oh, here, Mom. Open mine too.
Okay.
I'll hit the butt.
Is this the last one?
Yeah, me and you gonna split that one. Got another Lucario and another Bisharp. packs. This, let me just put this right here. Alright, Ancient Origins and Roaring Skies. I'm gonna start with Roaring Skies. Oh man, this is something good. Alright, so we got Inkay, Voltorb, Ligar, Nichata, Natu, Voltorb, ooh, Gallade EX.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Wildlands, Fletchinder, Trainer's Mail, and the code card.
So, do they make these anymore?
What, the EXs?
Yeah.
No, they stopped making them.
Oh, okay. And that's, you got one more pack to open?
Yeah. Ancient Origins. Okay. Magikarp. Unknown. Boltoy. Malamar. Combi. Golurk. Which is a reverse hollow. Porygon Z is the rare. Ariados. Paint Roller. And Vaporeon and the code card.
Hmm.
I got that on. Let me open it for you. Let me see everything.
Oh, wow.
Let me see. Let me count those right quick, Mom. Alright, Mom. Hold these real quick. Look, Mom. It comes with like breakpoint. It comes with 2 breakpoints, 2 evolutions, 2 team ups, and 2 ancient origins. So now I'm gonna split. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna split into 5 for us. Let me see. There you go, Mom. Alright, I'm opening mine first. Bloom, oops, Bullet, and Boltoy. Oops. These are quick. I've got evolutions. A Magnemite, Steel, and Trainer Potion.
So, what do you do if you have doubles or more than doubles?
I keep them.
Why only a few come in there?
I don't know, that's how Dark packs are. Voltorb, Diglett, and Magmar.
That's how. Why do they have the some of them only have a few in it?
I don't know. I don't know why they do it. Two breakpoints. They don't make breakpoints anymore, Mom.
So you have 2 binders full of Pokemon cards.
Yeah. Okay, so Electabuzz, Slowpoke, and Frogadier. Our small ass pack. Pancham, Planage, and Gabite. Alright, Mom, it's your turn.
Okay. These are rare cards I'm opening.
It depends. Lavatar. Oh yeah, Lavatar evolves into Pupitar.
And then I have an energy. And then this. Okay. Well, that looks weird.
Grammar.
And the eggs again.
Execute. And Flappy.
Okay.
Oddish. Combi.
Trainer card.
And Ace Trainer.
So are these old cards they don't make anymore?
Yeah.
And that means, like, what does it mean if you have 4 or 5 of the same card?
Like the same EX or something?
I guess. Like,
Oh, I still keep them.
oh, okay.
Mom, for evolutions, they still make evolutions because almost every new product they make, that pack of their evolutions always comes with it. Weedle. Hollow Vulpix. And Machoke. Alright, Mom, last pack. Yeah, that's last pack.
Alright, that's one.
That's a cool song, good, Mom.
I know this one I've seen before.
Oh my god, you pulled a Mega Blastoise EX from a Dollar Tree pack.
Is that bad?
No, it's good, Mom. Look, see, look. Put it right here, see? You see the Blastoise EX? Mega Blastoise EX. Pretty cool, Mom.
I got that.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what
I'm talking about high five.
I don't know what it means.
It means you got a good. It means you pulled a good card out of this.
But what's the dollar thing have to do with it?
Okay, so you know how that card came in the middle? That was what I was talking about earlier. If you get buy a Dollar Tree pack and the card like this is like in the middle, then yeah. But it's all random though.
So I did good with that card?
Yeah, you did really good with that, Mom.
Awesome.
Digging. Alright, everybody, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And this is Charizard fan, and this is my mom. And I'm over here spending time with her. I've been here since Saturday. And I'm here spending time with her. And I love her very much. And I wanted to thank her for making this all possible for today. I love you, Mom, man. Have an awesome day, everybody.